Yo, YouTube, I am back with a brand new 99 Nights in the Forest codes video. I've been searching all morning on Google and also watching clickbait YouTube videos trying codes for Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. And I finally managed to find some awesome codes, guys. There's actually a code on this site I'm going to show you where you can actually get 1,000 free diamonds in 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox. Before I show you these codes, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am always finding the best codes and you're not going to want to miss my future uploads. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into this tutorial and show you how to go ahead and obtain these 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox codes. These are working in 2026, by the way. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser. I'm using an iPhone and I've just opened up Safari. And what you're going to want to do is head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So let's go ahead and type that in. You can pause the video and copy it down. Crash Coupons. I'm sure you've seen this site before because some of the top YouTubers, Roblox YouTubers, use this site to basically get resources for their games. So I do recommend using the search bar. And obviously you just want to type in what we're looking for. So 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox. This is the codes page, guys. There are 4 verified working codes. And like I said, one of these codes is going to get you 1,000 free diamonds. And as you can see, thousands of people have actually rated these highly. I've just given it 5 stars. I've already done this. But basically scroll down and let's see what's available. You can get all badges. You can get 1,000 free gems. Unlock all food and consumables, admin commands. So just select the code you want. Most of you are probably going to choose the diamonds code, which is understandable, considering how expensive diamonds are in 99 Nights in the Forest. And this entire process takes about 5 minutes to get your code. Like I said, these are limited and personal codes, guys. So you can only do this once. And as you can see, it's allocated you a unique code, but you need to unlock it basically. And this basically stops people getting more than one of these codes. So you can only do this once. So to get your 99 Nights in the Forest code, click on this button. And you just got to follow the instructions on this screen here, guys. It is really easy peasy lemon squeezy. It takes about 5 minutes. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your Crash Coupons code. So basically what it's telling you to do, guys, is just complete 2 tasks. They're all completely free. And they're really easy and simple things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing mobile games, answering surveys, where you just have to input like your email and stuff like that, guys. It's all completely free. They take about 5 minutes, and yeah, basically you complete 2 of these and it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons. Obviously I've skipped forward. Like I said, I did this earlier and it does limit 1 code per person, but if you complete 2 tasks, it will unlock your 99 Nights in the Forest code and you can redeem it in game. This one's going to give you 1,000 free diamonds, but they do have other stuff as well. So head on over to Crash Coupons and then search for the 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox codes page here, guys, and just select which code you want. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you do like and subscribe to catch my latest uploads, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.